astronauts have to drink each other's pee in space. You see, there's no water in space, and it costs over $10,000 just to send one water bottle into space. So the astronauts do what every normal human would do: drink each other's pee. When an astronaut pees, it's collected into a machine. First the water is boiled, then the water vapor is collected. It's mixed with humidity and then cleaned so it can be consumed. NASA says that the recycled water in space is actually better than most tap water on Earth. But how they go number 2 is even trickier. Space toilets use suction instead of water because nothing can flush in zero gravity. The hole you sit on is only 4 inches across, and if you miss, things could get really sticky. NASA built a training toilet with camera inside so the astronauts could practice while people watch. But the early space missions had it way worse. During the Apollo mission, astronauts had to tape a plastic bag on their backside. Once they were finished, they had to seal the bag and then knead it with a special chemical until all the bacteria inside was killed. Kinda like homemade space Play-Doh, bro. But on the Apollo 10 mission, it went completely wrong. Someone didn't go to the bathroom properly, something escaped and then floated across the cabin. The astronauts argued with each other about whose floater it was. It happened again and no one claimed either incident, and it's actually filed in NASA's transcript on page 414. So NASA came up with a plan to eliminate all these issues. Currently, the Artemis 2 mission that's traveling to the moon spent $23 million on the toilet, bro. But it broke within hours of leaving Earth, and they would have had to manually collect their urine and waste. They did manage to fix it and avoid a crappy situation in space. You ready to be an astronaut, bro?